white strawberries. Trying these white strawberries for the first time. Because for the first time, the white strawberries that we planted 2 years ago have fruited. So let's taste test how they taste. Oh my, they are so sweet, sweeter than the red ones. White strawberries. Well, when I describe a fruit as sweet, it is really sweet because I have zero tolerance with sour fruits because of my sensitive teeth. And actually the red strawberries in the garden, sometimes I cannot eat them unless they're really ripe because they're sour. Because even when they're ripe, most of the time they are still sour. But these white strawberries, they are really sweet. Wow. Sweet white strawberries. Thank you for watching.